What up guys, JustLostJC here. Welcome back to my channel or whatever. So this is a very impromptu video. I decided to do this today. So I just finished getting out the shower, washing my hair, and now I'm going to be detangling and doing my leave-in conditioner routine, which is putting in my Giovanni's, you know, using my castor oil, using my As I Am leave-in conditioner. But that's not what this video is about, guys. So you guys know that I usually finger detangle my hair, and that's what I did when I detangled it the first time before I went into the shower. I finger detangled it using just my fingers and using my Ayurvedic my Ayurvedic deep conditioner. I'm going to link that down below how you can make it using all these powders and whatnot. But I got this brush. This is a Denman brush for those of you guys that do not know. Never have used a Denman brush in my hair ever. Never have used a brush to detangle my hair ever actually. Before using a brush, before stopping and just using my fingers, I use a wide tooth comb. So this is going to be the first time that I'm doing this ever. And I just wanted to try this on camera. So how I came about this brush is I actually have a friend. Let me prep what I'm going to be doing. So my hair is divided in 6 sections. I'm just going to show you doing it on one section. I'm not using this for the rest of my hair. I just wanted to try it out and see how this works. So I wash my hair in twists, as a lot of you guys may know. So I'm just untwisting this. Gonna use some warm water, get it damp. Guys, I'm nervous. So I came across this Denman brush because I have a friend who's newly natural. I actually don't know how many years she's been natural, but it hasn't, maybe it's not that new, maybe it's like 2 years, 3 years, whatever. But the point is, she got the Denman brush. She does not finger detangle. She uses brushes, combs, all that jazz. So she actually got this Denman brush to use for her own hair. And you know, she was telling me about how she doesn't know if the Denman brush is working for her. She's seen all these wonderful, great reviews. So this is how my hair looks. Just hard because I have a black t-shirt on. But anyway, this is my hair is pretty clumped up from just my finger detangling, which is why I love finger detangling, because I feel like it gets out the knots, but it doesn't make it as frizzy as combing does rather. So I put some of that in. But anyway, yeah, so she got this Denman brush because she wanted to try it out, see if it defined her curls, if it helped with her washing goals, like it seemed to help a lot of other people. Now you guys can see, sorry, I just washed it. From the Denman brush, there are some rows of teeth that are missing, so she modified it herself, I believe, and she used it a couple times, and she told me that she believed it's pulling her hair out. I know, you're like, why are you about to use this? So she said it's pulling her hair out, and I've never heard anyone say that about the Denman brush, and the Denman brush has been on YouTube since when I first started my natural hair, or my conscious natural hair journey, or growing out my natural hair, like, what, 6-7 years ago? It's been around for a long time, and I never heard anyone saying that. So I'm like, is this true? So she gave me the Denman brush because she doesn't want to use it anymore, and she recently told me that she purchased another Denman brush, and that she read up somewhere that they have 2 types of Denman brushes. One that's made for people with straight hair, or I guess like white people or Asian, you know, whatever. And then there's one made for people that are with curlier hair, or black people that are using it to detangle and define curls, and that she believes she got the wrong one. Now this is what this one looks like. So I don't know if you guys, I don't think you can because it's kind of black, but it just says Denman here. It's pink. I don't know if it ever had bubbles on the end and she took the bubbles off. I don't really know. But this is the one that she has, and she said, or she had originally, that she said was pulling out her hair, and now she has another one. So I told her, you know, bring me the brush. Maybe I'll try it on camera and see what happens. Guys, I'm nervous. Okay, let's go. Maybe I'll be able to zoom in for you guys. I haven't brushed my hair in a long time. But I know you're supposed to start from the ends because I'm not a dummy. I know that much. So we're doing it. Oh, God. Okay, yeah. It's a bit of pulling going on, a bit of pulling. Guys, am I about to lose a chunk of hair so I could try out a Denman brush on YouTube? Like, is this real life? Okay, I don't know. I never did like brushes in my hair. So, it's definitely combing through it. I mean, I think it's yanking. That's the thing. It's definitely yanking on hair, and I don't know if my leave-in conditioners have enough slip, so I'm going to add this as I am. But I feel like the more slip it has and the more water, the better this might go. I'm not really sure. Maybe I should add the oil. You know what? I'm going to add the oil too. I'm gonna add it all. Just in the name of having some slip to my hair. Because this is supposed to be experimental, but like, I'm not trying to have my hair on the ground. Jesus. The person that let me borrow the brush is texting me right now, but I can't answer because my hands are kind of dirty right now. Anyway, and yes, it's very late. I started this hair process very late, so here we are. Anyway, okay, let me continue. So, let me start over. I'm so nervous, guys. Like, I don't know why. It's just brushing your hair, right? Because the way my hair is set up is, you know, see, whenever there's a knot, I just have to go in with my fingers, I feel like, because I can't just let the brush do what it's supposed to do, which is, I guess, break through the knot itself. I don't know. I can't do it, guys. I can't do it. I'm not cut out for this. Okay, let's try again. How do people use this brush? But yeah, I'm pretty sure you're just supposed to brush your hair like normal. Yeah, I'm not getting that it's getting out tangles. I don't know. I expected this to be more seamless, but it's not. It's snagging a little bit. But we're just going to keep going. And I know the Denman brush is a wet brush from when I remember hearing about it. So you're supposed to use it when your hair is wet, which is what I'm doing. And you know what, it might be defining something, maybe. It just keeps getting snagged in one particular, like, there's probably a knot right there that needs to go. Okay. Okay. We made it through the bottom, and I think it kind of defined some things. Guys, is this section too big? Oh my goodness. Okay. Is this worth it? I don't know how to brush hair. It's just so weird. But I definitely like the fact that it's modified. I feel like without the modification, so it's gliding through this end part that I kind of detangled, and it's creating some kind of definition. It's hard to show because my camera is being annoying right now, but you know, it's doing something, I think. Anyway, let me keep going. Guys, I'm determined to get through at least this one whole section, but it's really difficult because my hair is so, like, it just frizzes back up, so it's hard to get it to just keep going through. How do people... Jeez Louise. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Okay, it's sliding. It's sliding and gliding a little bit. Okay. Will this become a part of the regimen? It got stuck. Hell no. Okay, I can't just grab it and start doing this, can I? Nope. Nope. Tried it. Tried it big time. But yeah. It doesn't hurt, guys. I'm just making this face because it's taking a lot more arm muscle than I thought it would to get through this small section of my hair. This is not a large section, or maybe it is. Maybe you're supposed to go through thinner sections with the Denman brush. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really watch any tutorials before I did this because I figured it's a brush. You just brush your hair, you know what I mean? Jelly bean. But yeah. Getting through my hair. It's hard. I think I'm blocking the camera. But yeah, it helped. Look at this. This is like the shed hair I got, I'm assuming. Yep. This just came out. I don't think that's it pulling my hair out. That's honestly, I think, just shed hair. But yeah. doing this. It's definitely defining. The ends always get like snagged. That's a thing with my hair. There's always some kind of bump or something at the end. Or not bump, like knot, I should say. So just always gets snagged in the end. But for the most part, I like the way it's gliding through. You guys can see how it's gliding through this. Ow, okay. There's definitely a pull at some point. But it's gliding through. I think I've used the Denman brush as much as I feel like I need to. I think it's fine. I think it's good. Just it's the ends, man. The ends are hard. My ends are hard. They're like perpetually just have a knot at the end. There's always something going on at the end of my hair. This time there's like a mini knot of shed hair, so I'm gonna take that down myself. You know, it's not terrible, but I think it's, you know, it's very frizzy as opposed to when I do it with my fingers. But it definitely is detangled, separating like butter. And so I'm just gonna twist this up because we done. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys how much hair came out. Not much. I mean, I did feel like it was snagging in places that when I use my fingers it doesn't snag because I can like untangle or whatever was snagging, whereas this I just had to like keep trying to work through it. I felt like it required a lot more arm muscle than I thought it would to get through my hair. And I really do feel that maybe because of my hair texture being 4C, it is a bit harder to get the comb through it, and it's maybe not as advantageous as using a wide tooth comb or even your fingers, because this has so many teeth. As much as it's modified, it still does have teeth that are very close together, and for someone with my hair, 4C, 4B people, maybe even 4A it might be too much for. This kind of a brush, it's creating more tangles because there's no way these teeth, all these rows of teeth, are gonna get through my hair without snagging on something. And once it snags, you gotta kind of rake through it, which leads to your hair being pulled out. That's what I feel. But I do feel like if you have maybe 3 hair or more, 3, 2, whatever A, this would be easier for you because especially when you're going through the ends, you won't have as many snags, and it will be easier for your hair, since it's straighter, to pass through the smallness of these teeth. That's just my theory on this. The rest of my hair, as you can see, I have 5 other sections I'm going to do using my fingers, the way that I always do. But this was just a random quick little video I wanted to show you guys. Let me know what you guys think, because I'm glad I didn't buy this Denman brush, because that would have been a waste of money. Maybe this is just the wrong Denman brush. Guys, share in the comments what you guys think, because we really need to know out here, just in case we don't want a good sis, you know, a bunch of our good friends, our good sisters getting the wrong Denman brush when they could get the right one and have their hair all intact. So all in all, I do think that the Denman brush pulled out more hair than it would have, or it would have been pulled out if I had used my fingers or a wide tooth comb. That is my end verdict on the Denman brush. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check me out. Check out all my other videos. Like I said, I'm going to have some videos linked below. Subscribe, like, comment, share your stuff, and I'm going to catch you in my next video. Goodbye. Peace.